Are you curious about the latest and greatest startups coming out of Africa these days? If so, look no further. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 African startups that are making waves in their respective industries on the continent. Hello and welcome to Motherland Investors, your one-stop spot for all information on doing business in Africa. The African startup space is booming right now. From fintech to renewable energy and healthcare, startups are changing the game and disrupting traditional business models. However, not all startups are equal. While many are amazing, some are outright unicorns. These special ventures are setting the pace in their industries and should be watched closely. The startups on this list have a unique value proposition that sets them apart from the competition. Whether you are an entrepreneur looking for inspiration or just interested in the African startup scene, this video is a must-watch. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the top 5 startups to watch on the continent. The first startup to watch is called Off-Grid Box. Off-Grid Box is an all-in-one system that uses solar energy to purify water and distribute clean energy. The Off-Grid Box system fits inside a 6x6 feet shipping container and is equipped with all the hardware needed to produce electricity and clean water. The company has been operating since 2016, starting with a pilot in Rwanda, and has been expanding to new markets ever since. The company is making waves on the continent, especially in South Africa where it is very active. The off-grid box technology caters to household and institutional buildings such as health clinics, schools. It produces power and is installed in humanitarian settings such as refugee camps and post-disaster situations with ease. Next startup is Kobo360. Kobo360 is a logistics platform that connects truck drivers with cargo owners. Kobo360 is based in Nigeria and has already raised over $30 million in funding. With the African logistics market expected to reach a $3.3 trillion market cap by 2025, Kobo360 is well positioned to become a major player in the industry. Using big data and technology, Kobo360 develops robust products and solutions through its seamless mobile and web applications that cater to all the supply chain network stakeholders. It reduces supply chain risk, logistical bottlenecks, manufacturing waste, and low turnaround on products and loss. In addition to a $20 million Series A investment headed by Goldman Sachs and a $10 million in working capital financed by Nigerian commercial banks, Kobo360 is a success story like none other. 7 African nations have incorporated Kobo360. They include Nigeria, Benin, Ghana, Uganda, Kenya, Cote d'Ivoire, and Burkina Faso. Next up is Flutterwave, which has seen so much hype in the past months. Flutterwave is a payment technology company based in Nigeria. Flutterwave has already processed over $2.5 billion in transactions and has partnerships with major companies like Uber and Booking.com. With the African e-commerce market expected to reach a $75 billion market cap by 2025, Flutterwave is poised to even become a greater company than it is now. Africa's consumers and companies are using payment solutions like Flutterwaves every day. Flutterwave was established in 2016 and is currently valued at about $3 billion. Last year, it raised $250 million to become Africa's most valuable startup. Everyone's eyes are on Flutterwave. Our next startup to watch is called Waga. Waga provides sustainable and reliable battery solutions in Tanzania by recycling and reusing lithium-ion batteries and producing durable and affordable battery-powered products. Created by Gibson Kawago, a Tanzanian electrical engineer, Waga has developed a power pack which is made from recycled batteries bought from informal waste collectors in 5 regions of Tanzania. The Waga Power Pack is assembled with a set of batteries with a strength of about 12 to 48 volts suitable for different applications. It can power lights, appliances, and heating systems. The Waga Power Pack is enclosed with an aluminum case with ports that can be connected to inverters, solar lamps, and other charging portals. It is a simple but effective technology, and it is making waves at the moment. It is also poised to become a game changer in the future. That's why we should keep an eye on wode. On our list is Twiga Foods, a mobile-based supply platform from Kenya. Twiga Foods connects farmers with vendors and retailers, making it easier for small-scale farmers to sell their produce. Twiga Foods has already raised over $30 million in funding and has expanded to other African countries like Uganda and Tanzania. With the African agriculture market expected to reach $1 trillion by 2030, Twiga Foods is likely to even grow more than it is now. Keep an eye on this one, it's bound to make waves for a very long time. These startups are making waves in their respective industries and are poised for success in the coming years. As a savvy investor, you should be keeping an eye on these ventures, as they could become solid investments in the near future or serve as an inspiration for your own business. So which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Watch our next video on the best countries to invest in Africa this year. See you in the next one.